I'm going to let you in on one of the most unexpected sources for polished, professional, video ready tops that I've discovered, and it comes from the world of equestrian fashion. Now, before you start thinking, gee, Julie, I'm not a horsey person, this may not be for me, hear me out. Because equestrian inspired clothing has been a staple of fashion runways for decades. Think Ralph Lauren, Hermes, Gucci. The reason is that they've drawn on this aesthetic because it appears very polished, tailored, and sophisticated on the runway, and surprisingly, on video. As it turns out, the design principles for equestrian fashion are perfect for looking your best on camera. Hi, I'm Julie Hansen, and welcome to Zoom Chic, where I help professional women look their best and master their virtual presence. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you can get my weekly video tips on what works and what doesn't work on Zoom. Here's what I hear from professional women all the time. We want to be comfortable on video, especially when we're on calls all day, but we also need to look polished and professional. The problem? Most comfortable tops make us look flat and shapeless on camera. Solid colors create zero dimension, and a lot of basic styles just lack any visual interest. And the design details on most clothing? They're placed at your waistline or hip, completely invisible to the camera. So I started looking at what does work on camera and quickly found that equestrian inspired fashion checks a lot of boxes. And by the way, I've put together a free virtual style guide with all my best tips for looking your best on camera. So stay tuned at the end and I'll show you how to get that. Now, when I talk about equestrian inspired, I'm not talking about riding boots and breeches. I'm talking about the tailored, elegant aesthetic that's been influencing fashion for decades. Here's why this style is brilliant for video. Structured collars that frame your face, design elements that are placed in the top third so your audience can actually see them, and comfortable yet polished. Let's take a look at what I mean. First up, this equestrian show shirt I got on Amazon is perfect if you spend significant amount of time on video because it's very comfortable and it also looks very polished in a business casual setting. Now, I love a good quarter zip. It allows you to control the neckline to your exact preference for your personal style. And of course, it creates this beautiful stand-up collar, which adds structure and frames your face beautifully. It's one of the most transformative elements you can wear on camera. But the real difference maker are these lace sleeves. They create a distinct contrast between the solid fabric on your torso and then the sheer lace on your arms, which creates instant separation and nicely outlines your silhouette. And you're going to love the fabric. It's performance-based, which basically means it's technical without looking athletic. And the lace sleeves help there as well. It breathes, it doesn't wrinkle, it's super comfortable and fitted. It's just a great top for a full day of video calls. It comes in 3 shades. I'm wearing the dusty lavender. It also comes in an olive gray and white. Now, I always caution against wearing white on camera unless your lighting and your camera are perfectly calibrated. So next up is this short sleeve show shirt that I also found on Amazon, which just goes to show you, you don't have to spend a whole ton of money to upgrade your video wardrobe if you know what you're looking for. So this is a great stand collar and it's got a nice little rhinestone embellishment here. It's like getting a necklace and a shirt all in one, which draws the attention upwards towards your face, which is what we want. It also has the lace sleeve edition in the short sleeve version, which extends up towards the shoulder. So the lace sleeves and then the added piping really creates that nice definition and silhouette that is often difficult to achieve on camera. And like the first one, it's a performance-based fabric. It's got a 4-way stretch material, so super comfortable and breathable. And it's great if you tend to run a little hot in the summer or spring, as I do. It also comes in an ice blue and a beige. And it's just a great pulled together look. You can go right from the closet to the camera. I'm from Colorado, so I had to pull in a Western inspired business casual shirt for this video. Now, this shirt is obviously more recognizably Western than the other ones are equestrian, but it has been modernized to fit a professional wardrobe. It's got a more fitted silhouette, and it also has a cleaner design than traditional Western wear. No fringe and no pointy collar flaps like you'd see at the rodeo. The contrasting colored embroidery on this shirt is just the kind of texture and detail that the camera loves. It gives your appearance dimension and depth without being overwhelming. Now, notice once again, all the visual interest and detail is where the camera can capture it and your audience can see it. The overall composition looks complete and intentional on screen. So this style is perfect if your professional environment has room for personality and regional influence. It's business casual with character. These three business casual looks are intentional, they're polished, and honestly, I don't know about you, but I would have never known they were from the equestrian world if I hadn't researched them. Professional style on video isn't about being a slave to one particular aesthetic. It's about getting inspired and pulling ideas from various fashion designers and styles that have one thing in common. They look great and they make you look great on video. Now, when you're building your video wardrobe, here's the 4 things I want you to look for. 1, structured necklines, collars and stand collars that frame your face with intention and create polish. 2, strategic detail placement. Make sure that visual interests, whether it's embroidery, embellishments, or texture, are positioned in that top third where your audience can see it. 3, dimensional design. Find contrast through lace, interesting textures, or elements that create separation and definition so you don't appear flat on screen. And 4, performance fabrics. Technical materials that move with you and maintain their shape and keep you comfortable through back-to-back calls. Equestrian-inspired fashion has been influencing our style for decades simply because these design principles work and they translate beautifully to our new professional reality, which is oftentimes on video. Now, remember the free virtual style guide I mentioned? Well, you can download it right now by going to zoomchic.net and hitting subscribe. You'll get a lot of these virtual style tips as well as my pre-call checklist, which will make sure that you look your camera ready best on each and every call. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and hit subscribe so you're sure to get all our weekly video tips on what works and what doesn't work on Zoom. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Have you found any unexpected sources for tops that look great on video? Post it in the comments or anything that you would like me to cover in the future. And I will see you on the next video.